Hey guys, in today's video, we are doing what are we doing today? I just had the major brain fart ever. Oh yeah, in today's video, we're doing the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows review because I recently got sent stuff from them and I'm doing Huda Beauty takeover on their Instagram. It will be, what's Tuesday date? The 23rd. 23rd, if you're seeing this, I would have taken, because this is gonna be posted later, I would have taken over Huda Beauty's Instagram on 23rd. But they did send me a little makeup box to play with. So I thought today we should test out the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows. They sent it over. I got the shade, I requested the shade 5 medium brown because I thought that was the best undertone for what I got going up here right now. It is hot in here today. It is Florida today. Okay, I had to turn the AC on so I can get some air. I need air. But okay, let's just get right into this video. But first, subscribe to the button down below and don't forget to like this video at any point in the video. Like this video and turn the notification bell on if you don't want to miss any more videos. Okay, so this is what the packaging look like. Just regular black matte packaging with everything on the back. And then the pencil, let's get into the pencil. And how cute are my nails? Go Abby, because I'm obsessed with these. And the thumb has some clouds on it too. I'll link her down below. The pencil looks like this, and it is a very weird shape, but this point, y'all, I don't know what's, okay. This point is one of the most precise points I've ever seen on an eyebrow pencil. Like, do you guys see that? That is precise. That is so precise, and I'm obsessed already. Then we got a spoolie on the end. So that's what the pencil looks like without the caps on. This brow pencil is $17. You can get it at Sephora and hudabeauty.com, of course. And yeah, I don't know what else I'm supposed to say. Let's read the back. There's no, okay, ultra fine 0.9mm tip, waterproof, smudge proof, and 24-hour wear. That is all I need to know. That's all I need to know. Sounds good to me. So let's get right into it. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, my stomach hurts really bad. So if I feel uncomfortable, I mean, if I seem uncomfortable, I am uncomfortable. I'm getting cool sculpting done. Video coming soon, but I kind of want to have results to show you guys before I get into it. So that is why. That's why. I'm doing like day by day, like updates, like every couple days on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, okay. So I'm nervous. This is so, I feel like I'm gonna break it. So we're gonna do this eyebrow. This eyebrow needs a lot of work, and yeah, so let me zoom you guys a little bit closer. There we go. I'm gonna have glitter on my face. I don't know why. Okay, so I need to plug this hair because it's gonna get in my way and make me mess up. Okie dokie. I plucked my eyebrows last night and they just like all over the place. I plucked them for this reason right here. I knew I was gonna film this video. Tweezers, why does eyebrow hair have to grow back? Eyebrow and armpit hair should not grow back this fast. Like this video if you freaking agree, because boy, the most annoying thing ever. All right, I think we're good for now. So I'm gonna just do my brows how I normally do and we'll talk about it afterward. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. I always hesitate so bad when it comes to new brow products. I have to like kind of pull this eye because of my dog bite scars. So don't do that. Just don't do it, okay? I can say that this is one of the most natural pencils I've ever, encountered. Just color that in right there because it's been getting on my nerves. I don't feel like trying to be all precise with it. But other things to do today. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing because my hands are like all in the way. Sketch the brow because, I like to do Instagram brows, First impression, this pencil is very precise and very like in between waxy and creamy, so it's not like hard, but it's not like going everywhere. I don't know what happened here. I guess I overplugged it. I have to do this eyebrow to match this one. That is why all that is like nothing. Just wanted to say that. I don't think I ever do this eyebrow on camera. I don't think I do. This is my difficult brow. So I thought you guys would like me to see me struggle. So real life problems. Okay, first impression, this is like one of the most natural eyebrows. Natural-ish eyebrows. And I'm kind of not used to it. But I do like that you can see my hair. Of course, I'm gonna go over it with some stuff to make it the same color. Don't worry. but I do like lighter brows just because I have the blonde on my head. I don't like black brows and I have freaking black hair, so. Okay, Huda, I see y'all. I see you. Just pump this up a little bit more. No, to intensify the hair stroke. I broke it. I broke it off. I knew I was gonna do that. There goes 50 cents. This brow always needs some major construction, y'all. You know, in places that, oh, it looks good. It looks like an aesthetic. No, my brow will look so blocky and like squiggly if I follow my scars. So that is first brow. That's pretty fire. I don't know. I like it. It's different. I think it's the shade, but I do like lighter eyebrows for some reason right now. So yeah. So let's zoom out so you can see what it looks like from far away. Okay, so I'm digging it from far away. I need to carve it out and stuff, but okay. So I'm gonna do my other brow camera, carve out my eyebrows, and we will be back. We're gonna see my final thoughts. Okay, so my brows are all carved out and everything like that. Just wanted to give you guys a close up before I zoom out. I actually really like the pencil. I can say that when doing this eyebrow, it broke on me a few times again. So it's very, very fragile, but that comes with the territory of being such a precise pencil. And I absolutely loved using it in the front of my brow to create hair strokes. So pretty good. Let me zoom you guys out. Okay, so sorry for hearing my air conditioner and my MacBook because the fan came on in the air conditioner, but I'm hot and my MacBook is just gonna do that. So I'm so sorry. I try to audio correct it as much as I can so you guys won't hear that, but sometimes I am not able. Oh, and I just wanted to note that 0.023 grams comes in this pencil, so that's how much product you get. I know it's always a question you guys have and everything like that, but I give this an A. Not an A minus, not an A plus, an A. Just because it broke on me a few times and it was kind of like, okay. But it was like, okay, but it's a good product, so I don't mind. But it is $17, so I would like to use all that product, but I probably just used to the Benefit pencils. They're not this precise. So that's probably like, you know, why I ended up breaking it, because I was being too rough. Don't be rough with this product because it is going to break. So tell me down below if you guys have used this pencil, and yeah, tell me your thoughts. Tell me what shade you have, because I have, again, medium brown, and I actually love the tone of this. Like, I'm obsessed. It looks a little bit warm in the camera, I feel like, but it looks neutral in person. Camera makes it look warm, but it looks neutral. So I will see you guys in my next video.